And this outcome got me thinking, am I doing it wrong? It took me half a year to make something that burned in seconds. And I realized it can't be that hard. I'm shifting the way I make my videos. Recording voiceovers, making the whole narrative around my projects is very time consuming. It takes a lot of effort and quite some space in my room. Right now, I just can't afford to make this way, but I hope I will get back to this soon. If I want to keep making these projects, I have to take a step back. This channel, even if it's not big yet, gave me what I wanted. The confidence, courage, and experience, and eventually even a job in tech. Now I spend 8 hours a day at my job. I still designing jewelry for my clients, but I don't want to quit my YouTube channel. So I'm going to make my projects, videos, just like this one, subtitled and projects simplified, because this one showed me that being a one-man army isn't always a great thing to do. Too many plans for overcomplicated project and you're down and frustrated, so it's just hard to do this like this. And I'm just thinking like, I want to do complicated things, but I have to admit I failed. So I have to do some changes. I think I nearly burned out during this time, and I definitely won't make those mistakes ever again. So instead of quitting YouTube, I will focus on simplifying my projects and videos about it. So for now, I will stop yapping and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps me. And check out my new Apple Watch charging base on MakerWorld. It would really help if you liked it.